Today we are looking at 10 of the most popular kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Also, stay to the end to see what giveaway we have at the end of this review, so if you like, subscribe and give a thumbs up like. A big part of preparing huge dinners is prepared and having the correct supplies close by, so we've ventured to gather together Amazon's first-class kitchen gadgets, which won't break the bank or your credit card. Coming in at 1 is the Oster 6-cup rice cooker with steamer with a price of $35.95 and 4,800 reviews and average rating of 4.5 stars. My wife insisted we purchase a rice cooker to make our lives somewhat simpler when attempting to make quick dinners during the week. It accomplishes all the work for you so you can prepare the remainder of your dinner while your rice cooks. It's incredible. That is to say, over 1.6k Amazon clients have set aside the effort to give it a 5-star survey. Thus, I'm in good company in my fixation on this little apparatus. Here's what one reviewer said about the item. Great little cooker, daughter tried to take mine to college, but at this price, easy to just get her own. Makes plenty for 2 to 4 people. I use it for regular white rice, and also for packaged rice mixes like wild rice, yellow rice, flavored risottos and pilafs. Love making quick pasta and potatoes and soups in it as well. It came with a steamer basket, but I haven't used that much. I usually just toss the veggies in with whatever is cooking in there. I use it several times a week, and it has held up great now over 3 years with mine, and daughter's is 1 year old. Hand wash mostly, but it has also weathered the dishwasher just fine. Mickey Laurent. Coming in at 2 is the GoWise USA 1700-watt 5.8 QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer with recipe book with a price of $84.93 and 14,000 reviews and average rating of 4.7 stars. An air fryer that's all the rage right now, perfect for anyone with limited time who wants to cook healthier meals, faster. It's all my mother can discuss, that, and the reality my cook of a father feels they totally needn't bother with one. In case you're curious about this item, all you require to know is that it can prepare, barbecue, fry, and meal dinners up to 30% quicker, and with a small amount of oil you'd in any case use. Pretty freaking staggering. Any quick cook culinary expert would require one of these in their kitchen. Here's what one reviewer said about the item. Best item ever. I can't believe how much I love this kitchen countertop appliance. I use this on average once a day, maybe more. It cooks beautiful and you can pretty much put anything in there. Chicken, french fries, steak, roast, you name it, and all without the grease. You can even cook hot dogs, not the most healthy, but they come out like you cook them on the grill. Reheating food comes out much better in this air fryer than in a microwave. The microwave either overcooks or makes things soggy, and the food just never tastes the same, but not in the air fryer. The food comes out great. Gotta try it. Kathleen. At 3 is the instant Potlux mini 6-in-1 electric pressure cooker, sterilizer, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, and warmer, with a price of $59.99 and 3,600 reviews and average rating of 4.7 stars. An instant pot with so many uses you'll need to take a deep breath before deciding what you should make with it first. Instant pots are having a major moment nowadays, so it's an ideal opportunity to get on board with this fad and get your own in the event that you don't have one as of now. This bad boy is a weight cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, liner, and food cooker. In addition to it can sauté. I don't generally think further clarification is essential. Here's what one reviewer said about the item. I've had it for only 2 weeks and I swear I haven't touched my stove or pans. So easy to use and so many functions. You can sauté meat, make hard-boiled eggs, perfect rice and beans, steam vegetables in a matter of minutes. The Instant Pot community is large, and there are always recipes to be shared. So simple to use and clean. I've made anything from perfectly hard-boiled eggs whose shells just fall off on their own, to soups, Mongolian beef and spaghetti. I am so glad I jumped in the Instant Pot bandwagon, and cannot wait to purchase accessories in the future to make cheesecake and other things. Yesful. At 4 is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, with a price of $69.99 and 7,900 reviews and average rating of 4.8 stars. An indoor electric grill, so you can make mouth-watering burgers all year long, regardless of whether it's 20 or 90 degrees outside. Using this little grill is so simple a monkey could probably do it. Throw your meat on, close the top, and boom, dinner is served. It even has a viewing window so you can make sure your food isn't burning. Here's what one reviewer said about the item. Seriously, I love this grill. Recently moved into the city and can't use my grill, so thought I'd give this a try. Man, it's amazing how well this works considering what it is and what it costs. I really can't see why anyone would have anything negative to say about it. The first 2 meals I cooked on it looked fantastic and tasted even better. Seriously, if you've been on the fence about this grill, get off and just buy it. You won't be disappointed. Adventure Chuck. At 5 is the Dash Black Rapid 6 capacity electric cooker for hard-boiled poached scrambled eggs with a price of $15.99 and 26,000 reviews and average rating of 4.7 stars. A rapid egg cooker that will make your breakfast faster than you can say. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? One little machine that can prepare hard bubbled eggs, poached eggs, fried eggs and omelets. Sounds mysterious. Also, brace yourself for what I'm about to tell you it is. Get one of these excellent machines ASAP. Here's what one reviewer said about the item. If you are on the fence about getting one of these, get one. It really is as easy as it sounds to have a perfectly cooked egg, no guesswork. If you're particular about egg yolks like me and like them soft but not runny or raw, I've attached an image of a perfectly soft boiled egg that was cooked as directed. I timed it. This one was 11 minutes. You don't have to time it at all as the buzzer will go off, just for reference. Just have an ice bath ready next to the cooker and let the eggs sit for a minute or two in their peels come right off. Makes healthy eating a breeze in the morning. Where has this been all my life? Rebecca. At 6 is the Ninja Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender with 1000 watt base with a price of $79.99 and 17,000 reviews and average rating of 4.7 stars. A professional blender, so you can start your mornings off right with a healthy smoothie or end your nights with a delicious milkshake. Guys, 2,000 Amazon customers took the time to give this blender a 5-star review. Here's what one promising review says. This thing is a marvel of smart design and high-quality precision manufacturing. They do not lie. Fill it with ice cubes, run it, and you get snow. Because it has blades top to bottom, this baby kicks out my breakfast smoothie in less than a minute. Everything is good. The pour spout stays open when pouring by magnets or magic, I can tell, but it stays up and never opens when blending. The pitcher locks onto the motor logically and effortlessly. Cleanup is easy. Warm water and a drop of soap, run on high for a minute and rinse. Done. It's even really easy to clean the base, sealed and wipeable all around. Bummed I didn't get one of these long ago. James R. At 7 is the Miele Austria Ultra Stick 500 watt 9-speed immersion multi-purpose hand blender with a price of $34.97 and 28,000 reviews and average rating of 4.6 stars. If you don't need a large blender, then how about a small personal 3-speed blender that will save you some kitchen space? A personal blender when you only need that personal smoothie craving once in a while. Here is what one reviewer says about the product. My wife has been looking for a replacement for her old immersion blender. This is our first time buying a Miele product, and I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised. I was originally looking at all clad and brawn blenders. I thought that the quality was a direct representation of the price. Well, my wife was not having it and would not let me spend that much money. So I settled on this, and boy did it impress us both. It handled everything that we threw at it like a champ. It didn't overheat, over-vibrate, shake, struggle, smell like a cheap electric motor or anything like that. I can't speak of the durability as we've only had it for a few months, but we absolutely love this blender. We highly recommend it. John Ra. At 8 is the Hamilton Beach 2-way brewer coffee maker with a price of $59.99 and 19,000 reviews and average rating of 4.5 stars. A standard coffee machine to keep you caffeinated without frustrating you with over-the-top machinery and confusing instructions. You can use this coffee machine to brew either a single serving or an entire pot, so whether your in-laws are coming over or you're enjoying a quiet morning by yourself, you'll be good to go. And here is what a reviewer says about this item. So I am not a coffee drinker. I hate this stuff, but my girl loves coffee. I didn't have a pot and I felt bad that she couldn't have her morning coffee when she stays at my place. So, if you have a significant other who likes coffee and you don't, this is for you. I make her coffee every morning in the single serve side, and she loves it, and I get to do something nice. She does so much for me. You just rinse the used coffee grounds off the filter and it is good to go. You can program it to automatically brew if you want to, which is nice if she has to get up before I do. Enjoy. B. And now at 9 is George Foreman 4-serving removable plate grill with a price of $29.97 and 12,000 reviews and average rating of 4.6 stars. A George Foreman grill, so you can press a perfect panini, say that 10x fast, I dare ya. While you can thoroughly utilize this indoor grill to make some incredible burgers, flame-broiled chicken, or veggies, it can likewise prepare some delightful pananas. Is simple. Simply consider gnawing into that warm, squeezed bread on a white winter day. Who even needs restaurants? And here is what one reviewer said about this item. We use this almost every night. Chicken, hamburgers, pork chops, you name it. Very easy cleaning, as the top and bottom grill pans pop off. I sometimes use a plastic scrubber, but I don't have to be aggressive with it. I have also put them in my dishwasher. Normally I hand wash because we use it so often. Great size for 2 people. Will only fit 2 portion sizes, but for a couple we don't need anything bigger. Cooks quickly, so watch it when starting out so you don't dry out your meats. It also works on grilled veggies. Florida. At last but not least, a 10 is for our health buffs, the Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain Plus Centrifugal Juicer with a price of $149.95 and 10,000 reviews and average rating of 4.8 stars. A heavy-duty juicer, so you can wash down all of the bad decisions you made last year. All of those late-night trips to Taco Bell. With some homemade HEALTH. Why spend your cash on an amazingly overrated green juicer when you can make it yourself at home? With over 3.6K 5-star audits on Amazon, this particular juicer is a health addict's fantasy machine. Check out what one reviewer says about the item. I've been caught by the juicing bug, and I looked into which ones had the best performance. This one has been great, and I've already made several gallons of juice from it in only a couple of days. It's relatively simple to dismantle and clean, plus it's dishwasher safe, so you can get it especially clean if you want to. I'm glad we went with the Breville. I can't think of anything about it that I would change. The base is solid, the whole mechanism snaps together tightly with the metal bar. The separation of juice from the pulp during operation is very efficient. Most of the pulp left over is dry, so you know you're getting your money's worth out of the product you put into it. D. Valella. Still here? Looking for the giveaway? Oh, that, well. Today we have a new offer for a $1,000 Walmart gift card. That's right, a $1,000 gift card. Click the link under this video and fill out the survey for a chance to win. Also, if you like to see more of these videos before anyone else, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.